Hi, my name is Thomas Kim. In this session, we will learn HLOCAL, LocalAllocate, LocalSize, LocalFree, and string CCH printf function. This session continues from our previous session, Advanced Input and Output. In this series of videos, Advanced I/O create file, write file, read file, close handle. This is our previous video, and we continues from this session. This session. Please click this download link. When file is downloaded completely, here unzip it, rename the folder, LocalAlloc, rename like this, then copy the folder to your working folder. Then open it in Visual Studio 2015. I am using Visual Studio 2015. Open the solution. Right click, add new project, Win32 console application. Here, LocalAlloc. Click OK. Click Finish. Right click. Set as a startup project. Here, from our previous project, we will copy some header files. Here, we copy the header files. And we will add one more here. str save. Then close all. Close this file once again here. Now we learn HLOCAL, HMM, like this. LocalAllocate. We are allocating memory here. LMEM 0.0 init. Then we will change it to size T, size 256. We are actually allocating memory. If HMEM, say if we look up MSDN, Control F1, we are looking up MSDN documentation. Say if it fails to allocate memory, I will copy this text. Copy. If it fails, it returns null. If it fails, it returns null. It means failed to allocate local memory. Okay. Then std cout failed to allocate local heap. Local memory. Then we cannot do anything, we cannot do much, so we return. Here. Now we count size T characters, local size HMEM, size of character, number of bytes allocated. Okay, here we use H result HR S string CH print F A CHR. This is destination, this memory, this is HMEM. Then destination size, this size characters -1. This is local memory handle, number of bytes, and buffer size. I would say buffer size -1 for null terminating character. Okay, then here this is format string. Here okay, now save it. This is printf function. If you want to know more about this function, please refer to MSDN documentation here. I will copy the link and I will put the link here for your reference. Also about allocate function, copy and refer to this document, this MSDN documentation. Here if SUCCEE succeeded HR, it means we successfully formatted SCD cout character pointer HMEM STD, and there I would say formatted text. Okay, else std cout formatting text failed std, and there. So first, this is step 1. Step 1, allocate memory. This is step 1. Then step 2, use the allocated memory. Then we have to step last, we have to free the memory, local free HMEM. Okay, now std cin get std cout, press any key to continue. Now Control F5 to build and run. Okay, formatted text, we made mistake here. Let's see, we missed %s. So formatted Thomas Kim is a cool programmer. So in this session we learned how to allocate memory local heap. Then we computed the number of bytes actually allocated. Okay, so we computed actually allocated byte size. Then use the allocated memory. Then after using, we have to local free. Please compare it. Please compare it with our previous source code. Please compare these two files. Okay. First, we create the file, and this is handle, and this is HLOCAL. If we right click and go to definition, say HLOCAL is actually handle. Say this is handle, and HLOCAL is actually handle. So this is HLOCAL is actually handle. Then when we fail to open file, when create file function fails, then it returns invalid handle value. But if local allocate fails, it returns null pointer, null. And after use, we have to use close handle. Then we have to local free. So there is similarities, but there is subtle difference. This is difference. Okay, there is subtle difference. So in next session we will create smart handle class in next session. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please watch my next video. Thank you for watching.